Welcome to my art studio. In this video, I'm going to give you a full tour of my art studio as well as my office space. Also, if you want to check out the studio tours from the previous years, last year in 2019, I will link those in the description of this video. So I'm going to start in this area over here. So this whole entire wall is all Happy Mail that you guys send me to my P.O. box. And then this area here, this is where I do a lot of oil painting. But my oil painting setup is not set up because I haven't been painting with oils very much. But this is an old library card catalog that I was given, and I use it to organize art supplies. And if you're wondering, this thing down here, I just have it. Usually I don't even have it right here. I should have moved it. But I use this to put my camera on to face down onto my artwork as I film tutorials. This chair here is from my grandma. She passed away like 2 years ago, and this was one of the things that I got from her. And now I'm going to quickly go through what's in all of these drawers. I have these labels here that I like to use to put on my prints and other products when I do markets. And then I have some hole punching things and my corner rounder that I use for prints. These are just some wood slices that I have to paint on. Here are all of my KMS watercolor paints. I love her paints. I especially love her shimmery paints. And then in here I have some more watercolor paints. I have metallic accents, and I think this is just an empty tin. And in here I have all of my art philosophy paint sets. And I have this set here that I recently got from a lovely subscriber of mine, a set of Agalo paints. And by the way, everything that I share in this video, like supplies, stuff for my art studio, I will link in the description of this video for you. And these are just more watercolor paints. And then some more paints. I think a lot of these are Daniel Smith. What are you doing, buddy? Do you want to say hi? And then in here I have my oil painting mediums. This drawer is full of paintbrushes that I use for oil painting. This is some random things. So I have stuff for gold leaf. I have like my gold leaf in here. Okay, my adhesive for gold leaf is like leaking out. So there's that. Then I have my Master's brush cleaner. And by the way, I do need to take these labels off and like put on my own. And then I have some oil paints in here. Then the rest of this is just random stuff. I think in here I have, just my random stuff drawer, like scissors, screwdrivers, markers, ruler. And then I have this thing. This is actually from IKEA. And some of my other stuff, like the pegboard here and this chest thing over here, is from IKEA too. And I do have a video about all of my stuff in my art studio from IKEA and how I organize. So if you would like to check that video out, I will link it in the description of this video. So I will quickly go over what's in these drawers. I have like this box thing that I found at an antique store, and I thought it'd be cool to like put a painting in, like replace this flower print and put like a painting inside. And then I have some old postcards that I thought would be really cool to make prints on. This one's not very exciting, it's just some more wood slices, panels for oil painting. And here I have some random supplies like my watercolor pencils, my graphite transfer paper, I have my light pad to transfer my outlines onto my watercolor paper. I have colored pencils. And here I have packing supplies for large packages. So I have large clear sleeves. These are from clearbags.com, and these are biodegradable. And I have cardboard backings for large artworks. This in here is just linen moth oil painting that I never finished. And then in this lower drawer here, this is all paper to make prints. I use Pacific Inkjet for most of my prints now. And then I also use handmade paper for prints and painting too. And I'll link these papers in the description of this video. What are you doing, Leo? You're not supposed to be on my table. Are you ignoring me? This area here is where I pack orders, and I also hang up some of my artwork. And in this chest here is where I organize all of my stickers. So all of these top drawers here are stickers for my shop. And I used these drawer organizers to kind of help me organize my stickers. I just started doing this like a month ago and I've been loving it. I'll link these in the description of this video. And then this drawer here is more stickers. These are stickers that I sell in sets. And then in here I have envelopes that I use for my sticker orders. And then in this bottom drawer, I have my sticker sheets. I'm not really sure yet about organizing them this way. And then in here are just some extra stickers that I just haven't opened yet. And I get my stickers from Sticker Mule, which I love their stickers. They're really high quality. So if you want to check out Sticker Mule, I do have a coupon for you. $10 towards your first order. And then in here, this top drawer, I have stuff that I use to pack orders. So I have my return address labels, I have tissue paper for sticker orders, I have my thank you cards here, and then I have stickers for packaging. These are magnets that I give away to customers who over a certain amount. I have my business cards, and I have some random stickers that have imperfections, so I give these away for free to customers. And then here are those drawer organizers. Here are some ribbon that I use for packaging as well as bookmarks. This drawer is full of scrap watercolor paper that I use for bookmarks or just to like test out paint colors. And then we come to this area. So this is my desk. This is where I do all of my watercolor painting. This is a butcher's block sitting on top of two old dresser, like small dressers. My grandpa made these and my parents had them and now I have them, and I painted them yellow years ago. I'm kind of regretting that, but and I have some plants in front of my window to give me some inspiration. And then I have this cart here. So this cart just has a ton of random stuff on it. So this top part is basically things that I use a lot. I have my watercolor water jars, my brush thing, which I'll link this in the description of this video. But I keep all of my watercolor brushes in here, and really it's just kind of a mess. I should have organized this better before filming this tour. But I have a paper towel that I reuse. This middle drawer is tripods for filming, and my old tablet, and an old palette that I don't even use. I don't even know why it's there. And then we get to my Calyx shelf here. I already went with you through all of this a lot in my vlog from a few weeks ago, which I'll link below in the description of this video. My IKEA haul, but I will quickly go over what's in these. By the way, I have been hanging up my Do Not Bend tape and my Fragile tape on here, and I love it. It makes it really easy to just pull and then like take what I need. I used to have it on my pegboard and I just didn't like it. It kind of made that area ugly. So I just want to keep this area like mostly just my artwork. This tub just has my gouache in it. And then all of this here are like prints and other kinds of products. So in here I think we have keychains from Sticker Mule that I recently got. That's just some random stuff in bubble wrap, like art and prints. Then in here are some prints and just some random sticker sheets. I would like to eventually like label these boxes so I know exactly what's in them, but I'll probably do that sometime soon. In this tub here This is Happy Meal stuff. So I have some Happy Meal from you guys. Happy Meal that I don't put up on my corkboard. Hey, buddy. This up here is all of my watercolor paper. Then I have my sketchbooks. I have some back there and 2 right here. All of these tubs are watercolor paintings. So these are like small watercolor paintings. And those are more watercolor paintings. And then in here are my larger watercolor paintings. This is all packing supplies. And then this is all packing supplies. I have all of my envelopes up here. And then I have tissue paper. And then I have like this acrylic desk organizer from Amazon. I'll link this in the description of this video. But I love it to organize all of my clear sleeves for prints and paintings. And then I have more of these butterfly stickers. And then I have some cardboard backings that I use to mill artwork. This is old painting supplies from my grandma because she was an artist too. And so I got a lot of her art supplies when she passed away. And then this is all packing stuff like bubble wrap and stuff that I want to reuse. And then we get to my closet area. So I won't show you much of this because it's really messy. So you can see it's a total mess. This is very embarrassing. I probably should not have this in this video, but yes, it's basically my junk closet. But yeah, there's that. I really do need to go over this closet and get rid of stuff and organize this stuff better. And now I'm going to show you my office space. This is the very first time that I am ever showing my office space. You know, why not? Some of you guys have been wanting to see like where I do all of my computer work because I don't do it in here. I'm just warning you that if you're looking for office space inspiration, this is not the video where I work. Basically, half of my work time is in my office space. So let's do it. Here is my little corner in Jimmy and I's office. It's really dark in here, so I will open up this blind. But if we back up a little bit, there's my art printer on the floor because I don't have anything big enough to put it on. But yeah, that's where I print all of my art prints. So this is a white desk that I got from IKEA, and this printer here is what I use for like office printing. And then I have like this little paper organizer thing, paper tray. Down here is cardstock that I use to print thank you cards for my customers, and then this is just regular printer paper. Then I have like this little organizer thingy that I got from Amazon. And then this is my desk. This is where I work half of the time. I have my calendar here for this month and then future months to plan out my goals for my business and stuff like that. This desk organizer thing just organizes random things for me. I have a folder that I collect all of my business receipts in. I have a workbook here that I am going through for a Marketing Impact Academy, which is an online business academy that I invested in. I have a notebook here that I take notes in. This is my computer here. This is where I do all my video editing, all my computer work, and yes, it is dusty. It is dusty, you know, this is real life. It is what it is. And yeah, I've been planning out my next art challenge. But I have, you know, some stick-it notes. I have a thing in here, future video ideas. I have USBs, random stuff. And then this light here is from IKEA. This is from IKEA too. Then I have my microphone here. I use this for voiceovers for videos. I have my speaker here for my computer. And then this area, you know, I'm just letting you guys know, this is definitely not like a super fancy office space. So this is just like an old shelf And then I have my scanner here that I use to scan my art. I will also link this below for you guys. And then I have my battery charger for my camera. Are you just hanging out with me today? So exciting news. Well, I just posted this poll up here as I was waiting for my files to transfer over. We made it over 47 YouTube subscribers. So excited. Thank you, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed seeing my office space. It's not super amazing or anything, but it works and I'm very thankful for it. And that's it for this studio tour. I hope that you enjoyed this tour and found it fun. Thank you so much for being a subscriber of mine and watching this video. It really means a lot to me. If you'd like to hang out with me more, I will link a whole entire playlist below in the description of this video to all of my artist vlogs. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!